Hey mga ka-VA! Andito na naman po tayo para sa isang episode sa ating vlog, Virtual Assistant Life. And this is already day 10, would you believe, of a Filipino VA's house. And once again, we're sharing this small project of ours and going
10.
to the original
Are you sure?
audio now. Hope you
Did we say
enjoy.
day 9 yesterday?
Yeah, you said we will continue day 9, but you
yeah,
but
yeah.
we're washing our feet because it rained
Yeah.
and it's disgusting. There now the whole thing is flooded.
Oh, careful. Hey, Stephen. So here's our old house again. It's dirty.
Yeah. It's gonna be dirty soon. Our new house is gonna be the same as that, except not all of the houses here now.
Yeah.
Ours
So many
is gonna
cats
be so
in the
different.
village.
Is our house gonna be so different than any other house?
What do you mean? Not too much.
You mean not?
Oh, they're using their bikes.
Yeah, and they are playing basketball.
Yeah.
They are older.
Afternoon ba? Careful, oh. Your feet are wet. On my bike, ah. Yeah. What do you mean? Oh, look, there's bars now. Come here, on the other side. Come.
Where?
There, oh, the balcony there. This is the wall is already. The balcony there.
Ah!
Yeah, looks good.
I didn't see. We are just like that, except
Yeah. Nadulas ka. Careful, ah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Hello.
we can go there, right?
Oh, careful, ah.
We can go here. It's not wall.
Pwede ba kapakan yan?
Doggy, where are you?
Careful, ah. Oh, nice.
There. That's his tail. Whew.
Saan kaya pinto? Dito ba? Usog
Here.
pa o dito?
Here.
Ah, dito pala, no? Dito. Sorry.
Where's the doggo? I want him to come out.
Shit.
Ah, he knows not. Hey, up here. It's like, oh, hey, I haven't seen you since like day 6 or something.
You say day 10.
Day 10. What happens if we go to 11?
It's a huge hole
So they're
in
gonna
the
work here
wall.
first. They're gonna work here first.
Yeah. Sayang yung space na yun eh, no? Ang laki pala.
They're gonna work here first, then they're gonna go there.
Oh, careful, ah. So it will just be a small, ano pala,
Small one.
small space here.
What?
Yeah, so there's air. You can have Just put this.
So, first time I've ever seen like
Yeah.
something like this.
Yeah.
That's wow. Man. You can see the downstairs from back. This is the backyard second floor,
Yeah.
right? That way?
Yeah.
Backyard second floor. Oh, where is he now?
He hid again. Yeah.
Yeah, but he's even more in the wall. First time seeing this?
Yeah.
First time seeing like this. So they're just gonna,
Di ba kayo nabasa? Lakas ng ulan ah.
are they gonna put rails here?
Ha? What?
Are they gonna put rails here? Because,
No, there's a wall there.
but how are we gonna see that though?
We cannot here, only here. That door will be here.
Okay, then.
Liit lang pala. No?
Check the,
Ang liit lang pala doon.
let's check the front. Let's check the front.
Paano ba yung... Pero ito sara, ganun na, no? Malaki-laki naman pag nasar. Oh, ayun, yun ba yung linya?
Yeah, may kuhit
Let's check the front. Looks the same except they put it more wide.
Bali ang parang yung pinto niya.
Papasok na lang.
Isa po.
Pero isasara pa rin to, di ba? Ito. Ito pala.
Nadinig ko parang mabuwasan sa kuya.
Medyo mababa. Ano yun? Kaya mag-aral ka mabuti na.
This is the first house with a balcony, with a front
Yeah.
backyard balcony.
Baka masira na.
You want here? You're gonna build cement. You're gonna put cement here.
Yeah.
After that, and then you're gonna put there. Then we can finally walk on it.
Yeah.
You just cannot right now.
Pag sa susunod gusto kong lagyan ng third floor, mahirap yan. Hindi naman.
Kasi nag-aabang ng mga kuya.
Meron naman kayang, sa inyo ko na rin papati.
We're gonna build cement.
Sana third floor, tas rooftop eh. Pwede ba yan?
This will be a third floor.
Next time na, wala na tayong pera.
Yeah, we saw a house that had a third floor, and it was already done built.
Yeah.
Probably it was still building in like 20 even 2 years.
Sarap ng hangin ah. Uwi ulit kayo sa Sabado? Ano ba?
Sabado po.
Sabado ng
Hapon.
hapon. Mas maganda bukas mag-inom. Gano'n.
Kayo po.
Ano ba iniinom nyo?
Our house is gonna be different than everything.
So many dogs.
Yeah, naman. It's gonna be hard to put Stephen.
Yeah.
If LeBron was still alive, it would be very, very hard. Because he would just bark even more.
Ganda pag endlat eh, no? Ganda ng lugar nila, no? Ang laki ng space, no? Mahal kasi. Dapat nakuha ko nung pre-selling pa eh, no? Yung...
Requested.
Ganda oh, pag endlat, may ilmal. Oo, ang dami mong pwedeng gawin.
How has it
Oo,
been 4
diba?
minutes only?
Tapos yung taas ulit, no?
Tapas.
Yung anak ko na lang magpapagawa. Magpayaman ka, anak.
Engineer.
Mag-aral ka mabuti. You study hard so you can have, a good house. Ha? Ganda ng view dito.
You can step on those.
Oh.
There wasn't these metal things before.
Yeah, those are slabs. They make the,
They make the cement.
yeah,
Then they remove
stronger
it.
like that.
Then they don't remove it.
Remember, they also put that there.
Okay.
Let's go na.
Then we can finally
Mm.
walk. When they put the cement on it.
Yeah.
Then we can see the. But is it just gonna be real here until like there? What's our next house design?
House design. Let's get money first.
Next house design. Third floor. Can we go in here? No. I don't think so, right? You cannot see the dome here.
It's too dark.
Yeah, because they didn't put a light yet. There's the light there, no? There's the light. So many like atoms
Yeah.
and dust. They haven't put electricity in the bulb yet.
Yeah, it's not our fault. The developer did not give the electricity yet. Yeah, just again.
Oh!
10. Titus, 10.
Why are you pointing at me? Stop. Why are you barking at me even though you know me?
Oh, careful. Hey,
How
10.
are they surviving? There's like
What?
that was day 10.
You will be absent for?
I will be absent for one day because I'm going to a house and I'm gonna sleep there. I'm not gonna say where we sleep
Why not?
because.
Look, it's nice now.
Where?
There, the one with the bars.
Yeah, we are still recording this in the window.
Yeah. And this one also has walls na.
Yeah, some walls. I don't know what they're planning to do, but yeah.
They're planning to have a gate. So it's bigger.
We have a gate also.
Maybe they can put their car.
Why can't we have that?
Because we don't have a space.
We can build a space.
Cover your nose.
We can build a space.
No, because our house doesn't have the extra space.
Then build the extra space.
No, our house there, we don't have the extra space.
Then
Ah,
build
look.
the extra.
Look. Hello.
Copy.
Don't touch. Oh,
Working on a space.
might get angry at you, ah.
Sad. It looks like he's sad.
No.
It looks like
I think old na eh.
not in the mood.
No, I think he's old na.
Looks like a puppy.
No, he's just small.
Yeah, small jump. The smallest jump in the world. What is my friend doing in the other street?
He's waiting for his friends, other friends.
Why?
I think they will play basketball.
Are they gonna? What do you mean they're gonna play basketball?
I
It's
think
gonna be our windows.
Yeah. And also the aircon like that.
But it's smaller.
Yeah.
Why is it? What do you mean they're gonna play basketball? Even
So
though-
that is
That
it
was-
for day 10.
No, they're gonna play in the court,
I
I think.
hope you enjoyed the videos
court?
there.
Clubhouse?
Yeah. Oh, you see
Titus
that one?
and I were doing.
They-
But
that
now,
was day 10.
let's focus
I will go
on
in
the
there.
summary
They are.
photos again now. Ito yung backyard and si Titus, butas na yung harap and likod. And Actually, nalagyan na siya ng slab and inayos na yung semento sa likod. Kaya ito nakikita na namin yung aso sinisilip ni Titus yung aso, pero hindi pa rin namin alam yung kanyang pangalan. Sana talaga makuha na namin yung pangalan niya. Ayan, okay, as you can see in the photo, inayos na yung likod. Maganda na yung semento doon sa likod. And ito na yung slab nung sa harap naman. Um, and itong next picture si Titus actually nandun sa aming maliit na parang terrace sa likod. At ito yung kitang-kita yung view sa labas kasi nga butas na yung aming wall. So, again, aayusin talaga siya para nga, kaya binutas yan para malagay yung kwarto at yung terrace sa harap, and then i-extend yung kwarto sa likod at maliit na terrace sa likod. Ayan, ayan, kitang-kita talaga yung mga bahay sa paligid. So, yan talaga yung pinaka default or simple na design sa bahay. So, ayan si Titus, day 10. So, unti-unti na nakikita yung possible na gate namin, yung size niya. At lalagyan niya ng mga bakal na pinaplan na we're trying to plan na rin. So, let's see. So, again, we go through each day and di kami makapaniwalang nagagawa namin to hanggang day 10 na. So sana kung nanonood man kayo or kung kailan man kayo nanonood, you join us through this journey. At unti-unti na siyang natatapos. I think today again, while I'm recording this, today should be day 17 already. Tama, Titus? Yeah. So again, our goal is to catch up the videos for na sana per day na namin siya, kung kailan namin siya ginawa, i-upload namin sa gabi. So yun yung target namin sa Monday. So let's see if that happens. So again, eto na, day 6 na dito sa recap natin. Then day 7, syempre inuna nga yung walls and unti-unti nang pinataas para mapaabot dun sa second floor na extension, tapos binutas na dito nga, tapos palaki yung butas at nilagyan na ng flooring yung harap at likod. So syempre hindi siya kita dito sa front view photo. So ayan, medyo maliit pa yung butas pero kinailangan na siyang butasin on day 10, for day 10, and hindi lang kita sa picture again pero may floor na yan. So yan, naka-day 10 na tayo, nakakatuwa. I hope you are enjoying. Kung sino ka man, please like, share, and subscribe, Virtual Assistant Life. Hopefully magkaroon kami ng ibang content soon. Peace.